We are about to board our Aer Lingus flight. We're going to do a food reveal. Well, like a wedding, we went chicken and beef. So you gotta try everything. It does smell pretty good, to be honest with you.
Hot.
That's the hottest food I've ever had on an airplane. Honestly, like compared to a lean cuisine, it's for a lean cuisine, it's 10 out of 10. I mean,
Okay.
first time I've ever vlogged in turbulence.
Yeah, there is a bit of turbulence happening. I got the chicken, which is like a cream chicken and vegetables. And then there's a cucumber salad, water, bread, and some pudding for dessert. So I am starving, so it could be anything, and I think it's gonna be good. I think these are potatoes. This is a wooden fork, which is kind of fun. I like this little salad here. That's actually pretty good. It's a cucumber salad. Yeah. It was surprisingly fresh. Also, with dinner, get this water in a plastic cup. It kind of looks like a Jell-O mold, like a snack pack. But it's important to stay hydrated on these long flights. And then finally, here we have. Oh, I think it's like a chocolate mousse, like this. That is pretty tasty, actually. I feel like no matter what you get on the plane, it's just kind of fun, and it gives you something to do. Like, yeah, you can watch movies, you can do this, but it just gives you just another option of entertainment. So, I wouldn't say I like airplane food, but I like the idea of airplane food, and I think it's fun.
Taking our seat. Now we're waiting for our meal to arrive.
Our first snack were sour cream and chive, baked pretzels. I already ate all mine, so they're very good. And I'm hungry. But
Well, I got the beef here on this Aer Lingus Transatlantic flight. It is hot, I'll tell you that.
it's a beef bolognese.
It's a beef bolognese. Again, like on our flight over here, I thought it was better than a lean cuisine. And I would agree that this is also better than lean cuisine. Also, over here on this plate,
Brown bread.
we got brown bread. Milk.
Milk.
And a stick. I don't know what that's for. We have a French pasta salad. Try that. This water. And white chocolate raspberry mousse. The mousse we had on the way over was actually quite good. shamrock on there. Here's it's a double pasta dish. That doesn't have a whole lot of flavor. It honestly just tastes like
Plain noodles.
plain pasta with a little bit of tomato in there. I'll probably eat it because I'm starving, but it's probably not worth the calories.
Okay, I got the chicken dish. Said it was pepper chicken, and then opening it up, you can see there's potatoes and carrots inside as well. It kind of looks more like a chicken stew, maybe. So let's just go in for a bite. It's piping hot. It has decent flavor. Something I'll say, I'm sure there's plenty of salt in it, but it kind of needs some extra salt. But it's not bad. It's entertainment. I'm gonna eat it.
Pro tip, the food's piping hot, so if you stick your butter underneath it, it gets melty.
Oh wow.
And just, that's not very graceful.
Nope.
Like that.
Don't eat that.
Butter bread.
Oh my god, so much butter.
For a piece of bread that was wrapped in wrapping, was actually pretty good bread. Not a surprise, we have great bread all over Ireland, so just be prepared to eat bread. That's all I gotta say. Well, I have a very good feeling about this. This is the white chocolate raspberry mousse, handmade in Ireland with fresh Irish dairy cream and Belgian white chocolate mousse. On the flight over, the mousse was good. The chocolate mousse. See that Belgian chocolate on top. By the way, wooden utensils.
Yeah.
That's legitimately very good.
Oh.
That is tasty treat. Well, you fly Aer Lingus. I hope they have this dessert. One of the most exclusive treats in the world. Eaten over Greenland. We are not done with Aer Lingus food. We have Bolin's ice cream with a royal bourbon vanilla flavor. Made in Ireland. Ireland loves ice cream. We found that out when we were there. So, I'm gonna have to wait for spoons to come by.
Spoons at the top.
Oh, I would have never found that. That's why Madalyn's smarter than I am. I would have been sitting here for a long time. Like that. So it's very cold. We will try later. Well, we thought we were done with food after the ice cream. Turns out an hour from the gate, we get chicken tikka pastry snack. Was not expecting this. So you get a lot of food. Like every hour you get something, which does help the flight go by. But here we go. Dinner is a glorified lean cuisine. This is a glorified hot pocket. That's not bad. All in all, pretty solid food offerings for a transatlantic flight.
If you want to see more from our adventures in Ireland, click right here. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.